Imagine a small room with just over 100 people, and they are all gathered for a TEDx conference. Now, the first person to speak is not famous at all. He has dropped out of law school and is working in marketing. To make things even more interesting, his microphone did not even work properly at first. But here's the kicker. Once he started talking, everyone in the room was spellbound. It was so quiet, you could hear a pin drop. This guy drew 3 circles on a whiteboard. In the middle circle, he wrote a big word, why. Then he said something that would stick with people for a long time. People don't buy what you do. They buy why you do it. At that moment, no one realized, but this talk would become one of the most popular TED Talks ever. Its title was Start With Why: How Great Leaders Inspire Action. And the speaker, his name is Simon Sinek. In this video, we are going to go through the book Start With Why by Simon Sinek. If you are thinking about starting a business or becoming a leader, this book is a must-read. You will learn 2 things in this video. First, how to come up with an inspiring vision. Second, how to communicate it. So let's dive right in. Welcome to Think Big. Sinek identifies 2 main ways to influence others: inspiration and manipulation. While many companies aim to be inspirational, they often resort to manipulation. Here, manipulation is defined not as brainwashing, but as the use of incentives like discounts and time-limited offers. Manipulation, though effective in the short term, fails to build loyal customers because it doesn't foster a genuine connection. In tough times, customers drawn by incentives are quick to switch to better deals elsewhere, showing a lack of commitment. Using Apple as a prime example, despite being a standard corporate entity producing computers and phones, Apple stands out as inspirational. It doesn't rely on carrot and stick tactics or offer significant discounts. Instead, Apple's success lies in its ability to start with why. This emphasizes the importance of why people don't buy what a company does, but why it does it. In the 1960s, against the backdrop of social upheaval, Steve Wozniak and Steve Jobs were influenced by anti-establishment values. Recognizing the potential of the emerging computer revolution, they saw an opportunity to empower individuals and challenge the status quo through personal computers. Apple's success is attributed to starting with why, its mission to think differently and empower individuals. Understanding and emphasizing the why is crucial as it resonates emotionally, attracts like-minded individuals, and facilitates mass market penetration, especially among innovators and early adopters. Knowing the purpose also aids in hiring individuals passionate about the mission, fostering a cohesive and dedicated team. Knowing why your company exists is fundamental, yet many leaders lack clarity on this crucial aspect. The difficulty lies in identifying your purpose, but it is an essential step toward inspiring both your team and customers. Even if you have found your why, it's equally important to communicate it clearly. As a leader, safeguarding your company's why is paramount. This involves avoiding getting lost in operational details. To avoid this, delegate responsibilities to senior executives who share your vision. Focus on inspiring others and keeping the company's purpose clear. Regularly reinforce your company's why to employees, ensuring alignment with the mission. Clear communication of the why will guide everything else. So in conclusion, your job as a leader is to remind everyone why they are doing something. This will inspire and give them a sense of purpose. Thank you for watching Think Big. Please comment, like, and subscribe.